This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. So far, no one has raised the question of the possibility of integrating this outstanding method of artificial intelligence into a variety of creative approaches. Because what I intend to demonstrate will have a stunning effect on your mind and reveal the true power of artificial intelligence. In this case, I plan to use GPT and Canva. When you get to the end of this video, not only will you have your own YouTube channel that can be successfully monetized, but this channel will also be built using automation provided by artificial intelligence. The level of engagement in such videos surpasses other forms of content, primarily because viewers must fully concentrate on solving riddles. The first stage is the creation of riddles. To do this, open the GPT chat. Instead of simply asking for riddles to solve, we can expect results of something like this nature. However, the important point is the use of effective hints. Your task is to develop a variety of quick and fascinating puzzles for your audience. The setting of riddles should be simple enough to interest and entertain the participants. Each riddle should include 3 possible answers, of which only 1 is correct. If you wish, you can request additional puzzles. The second stage is to open the Canva and select the Create Video option. Let's start by working on the background. Go to the Elements tab and select the appropriate video as the background. Then copy the text from the original column and paste it into the template. The text size can be adjusted as desired, and if you prefer to use capital letters, simply adjust the font style accordingly. To improve the visualization effect of the text material and give it a more expressive look, it is proposed to carefully consider several additional steps. Let's start by creating a background in the form of a square, while we can adjust its size and color, striving for a harmonious combination with the surrounding elements. To avoid possible glare, we will add a black overlay, subtly adjusting its transparency to ensure maximum readability. Let's move the text behind the background so that it becomes part of a complex layering that emphasizes the visual accent. When inserting the text of the riddle, we focus on the choice of font and size, striving to ensure that they harmoniously fit into the context. Let's not forget to pay attention to a small illustration, for example, a shape pointing upwards. In search of a more minimalistic look, consider removing the background and adding an element of movement to add additional dynamism. Let's apply animation to all elements of the screen, including clickable areas, and carefully examine the various options to create a visual experience that attracts attention. It is also important to adjust the time of appearance and disappearance of elements using the show time function to create a smooth and consistent effect. Moving on to the next stage, repeat the whole process for each part of the puzzle, while paying special attention to the size and location of the text and images. We use the Alt key to duplicate elements with a smooth and harmonious transition from one to the other. Thus, we will create not only dynamic and attractive visual content, but also content that can interest and hold the attention of viewers through careful consideration of every detail and aspect of the visual presentation. Complementing the process, I introduce another exciting animation to these elements, giving them even more tension. Now let's add an additional element of intrigue. Set a timer that will add the highly anticipated tension. Choose any timer from the rich selection available to you and adjust it carefully to create the desired effect. Let's move on to the next step, adding the final fragment to the answers section. Soon you will see for yourself the result of our exciting puzzle, fantastic and unpredictable. However, as is often the case in art, there is some missing note. And of course you are right, we are talking about music. Use Pixabay's resources to select a suitable musical atmosphere. Upload it here, and we will add a soundtrack that will give your work a fullness and an emotional touch. We do not stop there. We will introduce one more element before presenting the final result. So, here is the 4th step, which will be key in the automation process. I'll tell you how easy it is to create a lot of videos. You can duplicate the video, then just change the questions or riddles. Then we can change the background to make the video look better. And in this way, we were able to create a lot of videos. Also, try to improve the quality of your videos, then you can gain more views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.